Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free stuff on Wish in 2025. So first is you want to go to wish.com or you can download their app using Play Store or Apple Store. After that, you will log in using your email or Google account and on the home screen, tap on the daily login or daily rewards section. Check in every day to collect reward points so these points can be redeemed for discounts or special items. Search for free with shipping items in the search bar. These products cost zero but may require a small shipping fee. Join flash sales or spin the wheel games in the app for surprise freebies. Also make sure to participate in referral programs and invite your friends. In every successful referral that you will get, you can earn more Wish Cash or promo credits. Enable your notifications so you will never miss a limited time free offer. Be patient because their shipping fee can take weeks since some items come from overseas. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.